Welcome in to another woolly review with wool. Wool Drops Karisma mix. Now in the mix range there are 13 colours, but these also are in conjunction with Karisma Unicolor, and altogether there are 48 colours. But great thing with this is that it is South American wool, class 1, highest grade possible, and has been tested in Hungary for harmful substances, and because it's class 1 it is perfect for babies, i.e. 0 to 3 months, like babies. We're giving this a go. Now this is something that has been won by the Woolly Wednesday winner, so I can only do a small swatch. Feels okay. Feels like wool, but it doesn't feel scratchy. So we have 100% wool, 50 grams, 100 meters or 109 yards. A recommended 4mm hook, which I've got because I'll only use the recommended when it comes to the reviews. This is in the colour 44, of course. So let's give it a go. Factoid: I am not allergic to wool. I have no problems with wool at all. Okay, it's a really bad factoid, but we're not doing factoids anymore because we're already in June. Oh yeah, that's it. I'm going to do a swatch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, whoops, 10, 11 and 12. Only a small swatch, because, you know, I don't want to ruin it for the person that it is going to. So let's do this. It feels rather nice in the hand, I've got to say. There are definitely little bits and hairs. It's wool. It's natural fibre, not plastic. It's not going to bugger up the environment for being the type of material it is. Mother Nature. Not chemical. And Beany's just come running in. Okay, let's do a row of half double, and here she comes. Oh my gosh. Thanks, Bean. Perfectly in the way. That's it. You help protect the hanky stitch markers by sticking your tail over them. Thank you. Stitch markers, of course, can be found in my Etsy shop along with other variants. If you're willing to go and take a nosy, the link is down below. Now, I found this the cheapest place at Drops Design for £2 or €2.20. Oh, hang on, what am I doing? I'm supposed to be doing a row of half doubles and I started doing doubles. And oh my gosh, I hear thunder. Let's try this again. I mean, we're not here to judge my crochet skills or lack of. We're just here to see how it feels, how it works up. Is it a big flop? Is it a big yop? There are a couple of splitty instances while I'm using it, but I think that is purely because I'm not concentrating really. I'm just going for it as you would ordinarily with your crochet, I guess. Go into that last one, and then we are going to chain 2, and we're going to do a row of double crochet. Not brilliant stitch definition. I'm quite surprised to a degree. I mean, let's face it, wool has got a lot of fuzz, so that's a good disguise, but it's there. There is stitch definition there. As you can see, there's a little bit there. So let's get this finished off. There it is. Thank you very much for the help, Beany. I would go with that. It's not the softest wool that I've ever come across, but it's definitely up there. It has a nice soft texture. Like I said before, yes, I can tell it's wool, but it's a soft version of. So let's get the frog a-walking. The frog a-walking is fine. Frog on a moped. Ta-da! Not too bad with the kinkage. There's a little bit there, but it's not too bad. I was expecting a little bit more with the wool, but there we have it. So let's get this wrapped up. And get it dressed again. Put this little belt on. There we go. So drops Karisma. Would I turn my back on it and say, oh heck no, goodbye? No. Would I be, oh, is that all you've got? Really? Oh, I have to then. Fine, okay. No. Would I be, well, it's in my top 10, I guess. You definitely don't have the other one? Okay, I'll take it. No. Would I be, ooh, well, it's in my top 3. You don't have the one that I'm after though, no? Okay, well that's okay, I'll take it anyway. Let me just remind myself how many yards are on this. 100 meters. I'm going to go with a 4.5. And the reason why I'm doing a half mark is because I think £2 is a pretty good deal. And because it's not scratchy, it's a softer version, I would say, woohoo, brilliant. The only reason why I'm taking half a mark off is that I'm certain it could be softer, and it's a shame that the mix version only has 13 colours, but it's all natural, so you know. So that's the Karisma. I'm doing a 4.5 Ladybirds out of 5. That's my vote. Have you given it a go? What's your vote? Would you give it a go? Or are you completely allergic to wool and even looking at this video is making your eyes itch? You let me know. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.